Myself, Mrs. Subi Basil. Topic: Orthopedic device. Part 1: Walkers. Walkers are a mechanical device for ambulatory clients who need more support than the cane provides. Walkers are the ambulatory device for using those who need more support. The standard type is made of polished aluminum. It has 4 legs with rubber tips and plastic hand grips. Many walkers have adjustable legs, usually aluminum for ease of adjustment. Some have wheels on front. Rear legs often drag, so need plastic skis or tennis ball to make rolling easier. The standard type is made with aluminum and has 4 legs with rubber tips and plastic hand grips, and most of them have adjustable legs. Some of them have wheels in front. The rear legs will drag, so need plastic skis or tennis ball to make the walker rolling easier. Indication: first, patient has difficulty walking. Second, patient has balance problem. Third, for support due to generalized weakness in both legs. Fourth, when weight bearing is restricted or limited in one leg. That means those who have difficulty in walking, those who have balance problem, the patient who has generalized weakness in both legs. For that patient, walker is used as a supportive device. In some cases, weight bearing is restricted or limited in leg. That means the patient cannot able to give weight on his or her joint, and that time can use walker. Advantages: first, good stability. Second, sense of security. Third, easily adjusted. Fourth, lightweight. Fifth, can accommodate any weight bearing status. That means good stability, patient will feel a security, can adjust easily, it is very lightweight, and it can accommodate any weight. Disadvantages: first, difficulty to maneuver through doors and crowded place. Second, eliminates arm swing. Third, slow speed. Fourth, not safe to use on stairs. It is very difficult to use through doors and crowded place. In walkers, there is no arm swing. Arm movement is not there. Third, slow speed. Fourth, in stairs we cannot able to use. Types: first, standard walker. Second, wheeled walker. Third, platform walker. First, standard walker, also called 4-point or pickup, has 4 legs with no wheels, can be folding. It is also named as 4-point or pickup, and it has 4 legs but no wheels, and it can be folded. From this picture we can see it has 4 legs but no wheels. The width is high, so it cannot able to accommodate on stairs or crowded place. Advantages of standard walker: first, most stable of all the walkers. Second, useful for all weight bearing status. That means it is most stable walker and useful for all weight bearing status. Disadvantages: first, requires more energy and arm strength to pick up and move forward than one with wheels. That means it has no wheels, so the patient has to take more energy and arm strength to pick up and move forward. Second, does not allow for a normal gait pattern. It is not recommended for a normal gait pattern. Second, wheeled walker, use when gait more stable, can have 2 or 4 wheels, can accommodate any weight bearing status, can be used with brakes or sliders, used when patient cannot place weight through hands or wrist. It can use when little bit improvement, means can use only when gait is more stable and has 2 or 4 wheels. It can accommodate any weight and can be used with brakes or sliders. It can use when the patient cannot able to take weight through hands and wrist. This is wheeled walker and we can see 2 wheels. Advantages of wheeled walkers. First, allows functional ambulation for those unable to lift or move conventional walkers. That means it is easy to lift and move. Second, allows for a more normal gait pattern. It allows for more normal gait pattern. Disadvantages of wheeled walker. Decreased stability. That means stability will be decreased. Third, platform walker. Advantages of platform walker. Allows functional ambulation for those with hand or wrist injury. That means it is mainly used for those with hand and wrist injury. Disadvantage, heavier and more difficult to lift forward. It has heavy weight, so very difficult to lift forward. This is a platform walker and the blue color is the platform. Why the platform is using? For the support of hands and wrist. Walking with walkers means how to use walker or how walker will help us. First, move the walker ahead about 15 cm while your body weight is borne by both legs. Means first move the walker 15 cm ahead from your body. At that time your body weight is controlled by both legs. Second, then move the right foot up to the walker while your body weight is borne by the left leg and both arms. Means then move right foot up to the walker, and that time what is happening? Your body weight is controlled by left leg and both arms. Third, next move the left foot up to the right foot while your body weight is borne by the right leg and both arms. That means next move the left foot up to the right foot, and this time your body weight is controlled by right legs and both arms.